Ya. One.
Hello, my vida.
Today
Today
we are going for
we are doing
about
about
something
something
very special.
very special.
For we
Called
and our life
lay at night
on the water
on the water
seas
series
full of life.
for relax. Hello, my name is Daisy. Every day, yeah, we're going to talk about what what are colors. Coral. They are the made very small animals colors. Coral onions. These these animals together in these groups made up structures is blood place putting. They are always.
Yeah. Yo, hello everyone. I'm Iván. Today I want to talk. This is coral reef. And right now I want to speak what is important the coral reef. Okay, it's very important because the coral reef is the home to many animals like fish and other creatures to the sea. It's important for us because they bring us to a lot of food and new medicine. And the people sometimes visit them because they like how are the beautiful color. And I think that is all for this presentation because it's so important for us and we need to help and support this because they lead to a lot of animals that need to survive to every day. And thank you for seeing.
Many amazing animals live in reef. You can find color fish like the parrotfish and clownfish. They swim all around the coral. Sea turtles, big and gindly animals that eat things in the reef. Starfish, animals with 5 arms that move slowly on the coral. Small crab and shrimp, they hid in the little holes in the coral. Slide 5, protecting coral reef. Pinturing showing threats to coral reef.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is neyxon and today I'm going to speak about the coral reef. We need to be careful and protect the coral reef. Some things are hunting them pollution. When we put bad things in the water, can make the coral sick. Warm water. If the sea gets too hot, the corals can lose their color and die. Too much fishing. If we catch too many fish, it can change the balance.
Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Lorena Chaverra y nos vamos a hablar de los arrecifes de corales. Pues eso nos ofrecen varios beneficios y nos ofrecen fuentes de alimento, también nos ayuda con la biodiversidad, con el turismo y también con investigación científica. Este también, a pesar de todo, sufre varias amenazas ya en la destrucción de su hábitat. Bueno, algunos de esos animales suelen ser el tiburón blanco que se encuentra en arrecifes de corales, la mantarraya que se encuentra en mares abiertos y en aguas saladas, y el delfín que suele ser inteligente y muy juguetón y muy divertido. The coral reef is very important to the world because there live a lot of important different.
Mi nombre es Benítez, soy del curso 11.4 y el día de hoy les vengo a explicar sobre la importancia de los arrecifes de corales y algunos de los animales que encontramos en esta cartelera. Bueno, los arrecifes de corales son muy importantes ya que estos son uno de los principales albergadores de vida en todo el mundo. Como podemos ver, encontramos una gran biodiversidad de animales, tanto de agua dulce como de agua salada, los cuales se han adaptado para poder vivir en estos. Okay. Aquí podemos encontrar el tiburón ballena, que es el pez más grande del mundo. Encontramos animales como la tortuga laúd, la tortuga carey, encontramos como el pez remo. Todo este tipo de animales son nativos de agua salada y podemos encontrarlos en los arrecifes de corales como el de Australia, la gran barrera de coral que se encuentra pues en este país. So in English, I would like to say that here the coral reef is very important to the world because they help us to keep a better water, because here they do a lot of different things to help the world, and here there is a lot of biodiversity, there is a lot of animals, and in the sea, in the ocean, you can find a lot of different animals that you are not going to see in another place.